especially if the fire gets a little bit too. Good morning. Welcome back to Nettie's Amazing House. Today we are going to barbecue some chicken. Yep, barbecue chicken and ribs. Malik is in the kitchen again. Yep, he's seasoning up the chicken. We're doing drumstick and one old chicken and some ribs. So that's my son again in the kitchen. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, share. So when we drop some amazing video, you're the first to be notified. Yup. It's barbecue chicken on the grill outside today. So he's cutting up the chicken. Malik, why you never use a bigger knife? Yeah.
It's still frozen.
It is? Just don't cut that, just cut it right through. Don't just, yeah, just break. No. Cut this part. Just cut, yeah. Right. Break it. Hold it up and break it with your hand. Break it off with your hand. Break the back, yeah, just break it. No, this way. Pop it.
What?
Hold this and broke it over like that. Yeah, yes, right. Right, now cut it. Turn it over. Never that way, me that tell you, but remember you have to clean up your chicken, okay? So guys, we'll be back when he's ready to season, okay?
Yep.
Malik's in the kitchen again. Kill Bill. Yep, that's my chef's son. He bakes. Oh gosh, one day I have to show you how my son bakes his pizza. Yup.
Still frozen.
It is. So we'll be back when we're seasoning. Guys, always remember to wash your chicken with a little vinegar.
More?
No, that's fine. Add a little bit more. It helps cut the rawness from the chicken.
Or is he gonna be eating raw chicken? It's gonna smell raw.
Yeah, the chicken is gonna smell raw.
Even though it's cooked.
You ever eat chicken and you have this raw taste? So the vinegar helps to cut down the rawness.
I don't know the science behind it, but must be some science behind it. Let's see. Vinegar, that's something.
Okay. And guys, always remember to keep God first place in your life. Yep. Like, subscribe, share. Malik has a season out. Remember the pepper in the bottom of the fridge. What's that, garlic powder?
Yeah. This chicken season.
That's chicken season. That's the Maggie chicken season. And that's some seasoning salt. I'm not gonna give you an exact measurement because you be the judge of how much seasoning you love on your like on your meat. Depends on the amount of chicken or the amount of meat. You already put that. Put some all-purpose seasoning, and that's Maggi all-purpose. Use whatever brand you like. Put enough season, come on, want it seasoned all the way down to the bone. Paprika, put more, more, more. Enough. More.
More?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want the season go in it.
Yes.
Turn the chicken when you do it. I say me go.
I'm gonna be twisting and turning like 2 seconds.
Are you using kosher salt?
Yeah.
Alright then, I'm gonna use kosher salt. This salt will dissolve in it. And that's some jerk seasoning. Turn it around, let me see the package. This thing will make you sneeze, guy. You have to be careful.
Have to back up while putting it in.
Yep.
Should I just use all of it?
All of it, yeah. Yeah. Don't use that pepper. Don't use that one. I realize that one is not hot. Use one of the new ones.
It's nice though. I'll put it.
Hear that? See it? Tell you about that season. One at the bottom.
Which ones?
Anyway.
Which one are you talking about? There's only this.
Yes, yeah.
It's the same thing.
No, different. The pepper in that one. This is a new one. So this is some jerk season made by my friend. No, just use the knife and take it out.
My godmother.
His godmother friend made this.
So,
Let me see it. Show it up. That's Pauline's creation.
oh, Pauline made this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, Pauline. Big up for the jerk. That's yeah, all right.
I'm gonna say that's all hot. I was gonna put two.
But it's all right. Don't put no more. Bless me. See, I tell you about that powder jerk season. Makes you sneeze.
Should have let this sit for 24 hours. Should have let this sit for 24 hours.
Well, it's gonna sit for a while because it's early and we're seasoning it early, so we're not gonna start barbecuing until later on. So it has enough time to marinate. Ooh. Just trying to get all the seasoning in that breast part of the meat.
All the seasoning under it.
Yep. So now Malik is seasoning the ribs. Yep. Now that's seasoning salt. And that's some all-purpose seasoning.
Should have put it in the Tupperware.
Tupperware?
The big one? The big red one?
What big red one?
The big red Tupperware you bought.
I can't remember what big red Tupperware you're talking about. I remember there's onion powder in the cupboard and black pepper. Okay, mix that up. Put some here. Enough, Malik. Do the mix. Garlic powder. Okay.
I didn't season outside yet.
Yes.
No, I didn't.
We love our food. Taste of season. Okay. That is chicken season, but we're gonna put some on it still.
Oh, I didn't even realize.
Yeah, but that's okay. Still seasoned. You know what? Some videos, and I saw they have this season called Slap Your Mama. And now I'm looking in the store. I can't find that season here in Canada. And I want to try this Slap Your Mama. I saw it on DJ for real. That's what it's called. Dre and Ken. Yeah. She's always seasoning her meat with Slap Your Mama.
Isn't that from Friday?
No.
From Friday after the next?
No.
Fried chicken's so good to make you slap your mom.
Well, that's a powder season. It's called Slap Your Mama. Apparently, it's in the States. Okay, Malika. That's too much accent.
You didn't even put it on these ones.
No, Malika, you can't use so much accent.
But I didn't even put it on the other side yet. That's what I was doing. I was seasoning both sides. Oh, talk. What are you saying? You're shaking your
I
head.
didn't say anything. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay, that's paprika. Yep. I don't eat pork, so I'm not gonna be tasting this ring. I don't eat pork anymore.
I'll cover my licky talk.
Okay, salt, pepper, black pepper. I'm gonna use the kosher salt again.
Okay.
Finish the cracker that powder season.
It's done.
It's taking out about that. Get out every drop of the black pepper on top. Yep.
It's okay.
Give me this, please. That powder season, man. Lift it up. Lift it up. Lift up that one. That one there. It's okay. Lift up the next one. Right. Move on. Okay, just put on the pepper. Some more of that jerk. Blend up pepper season. Sorry guys, I can't tell you the ingredients of that because I did not make it. Okay, that's it. Now rub them in. That cheese make my leg allergy acting up. So okay guys, so for this ribs, we're gonna let it marinate for a couple of hours, and then we're gonna put it in the oven for about 1 hour. Then we'll finish it up on the grill. Just the ribs, but the chicken we're gonna do straight on the barbecue. Okay guys, I'm catching my coal fire. This is how I do my fire. I love barbecuing on the coal instead of gas. To me, give it a better flavor. So this is piece of paper bag. I twist it. Outside is windy today. Really, really windy.
Well, it's boring looking at this fire.
So you just leave that and let the fire do its thing. The paper inside do its thing. Ooh, move this.
That's a lot.
Yeah. Alright.
That's a big fire, I mean.
Remember we forgot out the music they were play over there. So
You won't even
can't
hear it.
Huh?
Won't even hear it.
No. So we're about to put the chicken on the grill. We're gonna do the chicken first, then we're gonna do the ribs. The ribs is right now, presently, cooking a bit in the oven. I always do my ribs in the oven for about an hour, and then I put it on the grill. So after the fire catch, now I'm gonna spread it out a bit and cover back the grill, clean up the grill, and make the grill get about 350 degree temperature. A degree? 350. Yeah. You just want the temperature to be around 350.
350 degrees Celsius.
Not whatever it is. Alright? Guys, I love using this coal. So this coal, I bought it at Costco. I love it. Long burning coal. Costco, guys. So when I'm about to put the chicken on the fire, we'll come back. Barbecue chicken and ribs. See, sometimes guys you have to fan the fire to make it really catch. Some people don't like coal. So guys, I like to put my chicken in that sizzling skin side up, so that the juice from the skin can just marinate down in the chicken. So always remember skin side up. So when you barbecue your chicken, don't take off your skin, guys. See, people are cook and take off the skin off of them thing. The skin gives flavor. If you don't want to eat the skin afterwards, take it off. As long as you clean up your chicken properly. So guys, when I'm barbecuing in the coal, I always leave a spot where I don't put fire, just in case the fire gets too outrageous, we can move it over.
Right here is getting hot.
Yeah.
Under.
And I'll show you guys how to gauge your coal fire. Are you advertising beer? Are you advertising beer?
This is your advertisement.
Don't get no free ad placements.
That's my son, Jermaine.
A lot they don't get no free ads around here.
Great. It's not an ad placement. It's my beer.
Yeah, my chicken look juicy and nice. It's gonna stay juicy and nice. Nettie's barbecue jerk. If you don't want it to be barbecue, you just leave it like this, make it just jerk up. Guys, you see what I have in this bottle? A little apple cider vinegar.
For what?
So I can sprinkle the chicken. I don't want my chicken to dry out. Especially if the fire gets a little bit too flamey, we just sprinkle it like this. See? Remember guys, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you do your barbecue / jerk chicken or whatever, ribs or whatever. Today is my mom's birthday. So this chicken and ribs that we're doing, we're gonna take it over there later. We're gonna have cake and it's nothing big, just 1 and 2. Somebody is supposed to bring whatever to go with the barbecue. So relaxing in my backyard. Not as humongous as I wish it was, but it's coming. It's coming. Still relaxing. And nice out here. See the breast?
Okay, the chicken finally done.
Yeah. I clean up my grill to get ready for my ribs. Change my spatula.
Right off the bone. My stomach is upset.
This is some real good ribs, even though I don't eat it. I'm not going to eat any, guys. Don't want it to burn, we just want it to just char a bit. I'm gonna close it down a bit and let it get charred.
Ribs. Look at it.
So guys, my barbecue chicken on the grill with some jerk ones. I didn't put sauce on some of them because my mom does not like sauce. And ribs. And we're gonna enjoy it later with the fam. So from my guys, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know, let me hear from you guys, and hit that notification bell because Nettie wants to hear from you. So from my amazing house to yours, one love.